how to run successful meta ad campaigns for painting companies and painters. So this is going to be a quick and thorough walkthrough of how I currently make my clients $45K a month with their current campaign. I've worked with over 30 painting companies and I know exactly how to make a significantly low cost per lead. Make sure you create a business page and I will show you what to do from there. Meta Business Suite. You're going to want to click on the first one at the top left right here, Meta Business Suite. On the bottom left right there, you're going to see settings. Click on settings. We need to quickly make an ad account. After you click settings, it's going to bring you to this page. You're going to want to go to add accounts. Go to add accounts right here. And you're going to want to create a new ad account. Also, guys, if you don't want to actually set all this up yourself, you can go down into the bio and you can actually book a call with me. I'll walk you through how to do it. I'll build it all for you and I'll make sure you can track all the analytics. Name the ad account after your business. So business name. You're going to want to put your time zone in and then you're going to want to put your currency. You can press CA if you're in Canada. It will pop up right here and then click next. My business. Next. I agree. Create the ad account. Once you have the ad account, you'll now have access to Ads Manager. If you want to go to Ads Manager the simple way, we can go back here where you're in your profile and it's simply right here, Ads Manager, or you can just look up Ads Manager Facebook and you can just click on the first one. It will bring you can click right here, go to Ads Manager if you want. So once you've clicked that, it's going to bring you to the actual meta campaign. So now we're actually going to set up the meta campaign. So your first step for here is to click the green button. I know it's going to look hard to do. We're going to walk you through everything. Don't worry. Click the green button right here and you're going to want to generate leads. So click on leads. Okay. Buying type, leave it at auction, whatever. Leads. Continue. Now make sure you organize your campaign well because you will have to track the data and the analytics and things will get confusing with time. So what you're going to want to do is name the campaign. So the campaign name, we'll put business name testing because your first campaign is going to be a testing campaign. Boom, leave these the way they are. You could set it to campaign budget or ad budget. It's up to you. I recommend just doing a campaign budget if it's your first time. Your daily budget should be at least $20 a day. Usually the cost per lead in painting is anywhere from $20 to $30 and you're going to be testing multiple ads. So you want to have at least a $25 to a $20 a day ad spend. There you can just click enter, click off, whatever you want to do. And then you're going to want to scroll down, boom, categories, boom, 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 next. So for the ad set name, so name it testing 1. This is how I like to stay organized. I also like to put my little initials here, so I do JB testing 1. You're going to want to go to the conversation location. So boom, guys, please, 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 when you go here, do not click calls, do not click website. Nothing will get you results like instant forms. Instant forms will get you results. It's a low friction boundary. Always choose instant forms. Make sure the Facebook page is selected right here. And then you're going to go to maximize number of leads. Yes, yes, yes. You're going to want to turn dynamic creative on because if you guys are making a new account, you need to test ads. You cannot just throw 1 or 2 ads in there. No, you need to test multiple ads. So boom, after you turn the dynamic creative on, you're going to scroll down. Don't need any of that. Audience targeting. Now this is really important, guys. Please select an audience. If you don't do this, you're going to get leads from all over the world. So you're going to want to go here. You're going to see locations right here, guys. Click the button right here. Search where you're from. So, guys, I'm actually in Toronto, Ontario. So we're going to look up Toronto. Boom, it's going to pop up like this. And then we're going to get a 25-mile radius automatically. If you guys want to target a small town or a small city, I recommend going down to 15, maybe 20. But if you guys are willing to drive pretty far to get more work, you guys can go up to a 25-mile radius. It's up to you guys. The sweet spot, I'd say, is around 24. That's what most clients like. Most clients, maybe they drop 1 hour for a quote. I say 24, 23. Okay, so now you're going to scroll down and you're going to click minimum age. Guys, the sad truth is 18-year-olds can't own homes. It's way too expensive, especially out here in Canada. We're going to set this to the absolute maximum age because we don't want to be paying for 18-year-olds to click on our ad. And then right down here, you're going to want to click Save Audience. You can name this audience 1. Guys, names are really important. You want to be organized. Boom. Save the audience. Click Next. Dynamic testing 1. Anyway, we're going to scroll down here. Boom. Identity is already set up. Boom, boom, boom. Single image or video. It's already set up to dynamic because we clicked dynamic. You're going to want to scroll down to add creative. Right under media, you're going to select all your images, select your videos. So boom, we'll go to my current client. Let's just use their ads right now. When you are testing images, guys, test upwards of 8 images, 8 detailed, well put together ads. You don't want to be testing simple photos or simple logos. I keep seeing business owners testing the dumbest logos and things. No, your logo is not going to get you leads. You're going to want to have a detailed ad, maybe like this one. Here you can see a before and after. It's very nice, very detailed. Boom, you can see all the qualities. Guys, spend some time making a good, profitable ad. But once you do have those ads, click all the ads, whatever. And then you can click continue once you select all those ads. Boom, you can also select some videos. You can go to select videos. We'll go here. Hopefully there is some videos. Looks like there's no videos. But once there is videos, you're going to do the same thing. Click them. Once you've added those images, make sure you click edit media and set them to whatever you want to set them to. If you need to set them to original, vertical, whatever, I recommend using Square because it works for literally everything. Square is the best. Make sure you make your ads 800 by 800. But you're going to click whatever one you want. So I want to do original. Boom, save. This one, it looks like a square one. We're going to click square. Nope. Looks like it's not a square one. Click original. Boom. This one's a square one. We're going to click square. Boom. Just go through all of them. Boom, square, boom. Make sure they're all clean. Boom. Optimize creative for each person. Make sure this setting is on. Guys, please make sure the setting is on. Primary text. So for primary text, guys, ChatGPT, this is what I use and I make people lots of money. Boom. Primary text. You're going to want to make a bunch of primary text. So what you can do is you can take the actual ad that you're using. You can put it in ChatGPT and you can ask ChatGPT to make me 5 primary texts and headlines and descriptions. So it's going to generate those primary texts. So just copy and paste them in. Obviously, try to keep them shorter, whatever. So we're going to copy and paste all of these in. Boom, description right here. Boom. What you want to do is you're just going to want to click add text option, add headline option, add description option. Add as many options as possible. Please fill out all of them. You need as many results, as many things as possible, because this setting right here is going to optimize the creative for each person. So once you did that, you don't need a display link. You don't need it. Sign up, call to action. Usually you can do get a quote. Get a quote is my favorite option for painters, but Facebook lets you do multiple. So my favorite to do are get a quote, learn more, and sign up. Those are the 3 I like to use. You could use more, but I don't think the rest are very necessary. You're going to scroll down here, and now the next very important part, instant form. Press create instant form. You're going to go right here, form type, name the form, form 1. Boom, more volume. Everything here is good. You can copy these settings, pause the video if you have to. It should automatically do it though. Boom, you're going to go to next. Turn this entire section off. Off, background off, greeting off, turn it off. Questions. So guys, not too many questions, but we do want to qualify the leads. The best question to ask is, what service do you need? Okay? Boom, add a big nice question mark right there. What service do you need? Interior, exterior. Click the plus right here if you need more. Add all your services here so they can answer. And then always put other. Hopefully you guys learned that in high school because I did. Allow multiple responses right here. Boom. And you could do another question if you want. I would say keep it to 2 questions. So this is what my instant forms looks like. This is one I created for my clients. He had a $24 cost per lead. Not too bad. Description. You guys can write the same as me. Doesn't matter. Please provide your contact details so our team can reach out to you with a free estimate and next steps. Period. Boom. Nice and clean. Information. First name, last name, phone number. If you guys want to know what their address is, you could go to contact fields, add whatever you want. Try to keep your form as simple as possible, guys. Keep the whole creative as simple as possible because people on Facebook, they're just scrolling on their phone. They don't have the attention span. If there's a lot of friction, they will click off and just go find somebody else that has a shorter one. Go to next. Guys, privacy policy, you can copy this and then just put whatever your business name is right here. Next. Ending. We will contact you with your quote, all caps, 24 hours. We'll be in touch soon, exclamation mark. You can also visit our website for more info about painting renovation services. Right here, additional action. Go to website. The best option, guys. Do it. Link. Put your website link. And right here, call to action. Check out our past work. This is what it's going to look like right here. You can obviously see on the right side. Then you're going to click create form. Once that form is created, you can come back here, just select the form. There's going to be a little blue select, or you can search it up, whatever you named it, form 1, search it up, it'll pop up. You guys just made an entire ad campaign. There is more things you have to be aware of, guys. So the average cost per lead is anywhere between 20 to 35. If your ad is costing you $30 CAD, it's probably a bad ad. Go ahead and turn that ad off. So I'll give you guys a quick example of my current client. So you're gonna have all your ads on the left. You guys can see right here, it says cost per result, $30. As soon as it gets to about $30, you're gonna turn it off. Right here, you can click on or off. $26 is the sweet spot. $25 is the sweet spot. $20, you got a star right there. You're gonna wanna spend more money on it, but I can't show you guys too much of the analytics. You guys don't have to look at any of the metrics except frequency, cost per result, amount spent. Those are all that matters. If your frequency gets to 2 or 3, that means people are seeing your ad multiple times. You need to turn that ad off. And then if your cost per result is obviously over $38 right here, it's way too much. Turn it off. 21 is the sweet spot. 10 is like absolutely insane. So guys, there is more that goes into the ad account. You're going to want to keep track of certain metrics. Make sure you're not overspending and things like that. You're going to want to sign into the ad account every single day and make sure that you check out the metrics, making sure nothing is spending money and failing. If you do want somebody to do this for you, again, I'll let you know. You can go into the description. I will design this whole thing for you. I'll talk to you about how much we charge, and you can book a call just to see if you don't want to do it yourself, right? It does get complicated. I do this 24/7. I'm constantly checking out clients' results, always making sure they're not wasting a dollar. You guys should do the same for your business. And thank you for watching the video. That was a full walkthrough of how to set up painting ads. If you guys want to go check out more videos, or if you guys want to see more walkthroughs, just give us a like and give us a comment. Thank you guys for watching the video.